Hey guys, Charlie from Custom Craft here in the shop today. I was asked to get some Carlini bars in for an order, and we did that. So I'm going to take this opportunity to compare the Carlini bars to the Factory 47 bars and rip them apart. This is a 18-inch bar, so 18-inch bar in the Carlini and 18-inch bar in the Factory 47. Now I'm going to review them in detail and just report what I see. This is not a critique on the make of these bars or the manufacturers of these bars. These guys are incredible guys and companies, and I also want to add into that Steady Custom Cycles. I don't have their bars here. They're three, if you ask me, of the top 10 and most popular bar companies in America. They do incredible work. Steady have a beautiful range as well and give you a different flair on an ape hanger series. Each manufacturer obviously has their own taste and flavour. So that's what this is about. I get asked a lot of questions in relation to bars and looking at different things on bars and what bars come with what. So we've got the two main dogs in the house, man. Let's do a review and compare both. That's for sure. All right. So I've got the Carlini Gangster here. Everyone pretty well knows this. This is our Carlini Gangster. Well, there we go, it's got the badge on the side. So we've got the Carlini bars. Awesome. And we also have the Vikla bar from Factory 47. And there you go, all badged up. All genuine, all real. Boom. Incredible bars. All right, both of them. All right, so let's put them side by side and let's just pick out the obvious to begin with. The Carlini bars are full 1.5 inches all the way through. So you actually need to use the Carlini risers when you get their bar and put them on your bike. So that is an additional cost to the bars. A lot of people like it. Obviously they're a popular bar and the risers do look awesome. I love the big risers that they have on the market. They look really good on the bike, but you do have to get that as well on top of the bar itself. The chroming on it is outstanding, man. You know, I hope the lights capture it here properly. You know, you'll see this bike or these bars, mate, shining brighter than the other bars in the car park, put it that way. The chroming's just outstanding. Beautiful bar as far as that is concerned. So they've got the forward lean in the bar itself. If you check it out, you know, they're very popular for that and giving it that front bend, and they bend it nicely like that. It transitions really nicely like that, as do all the transitions on the bar, you know, from here up to here, down there and out to here. That's for sure. Now, with the Carlini bars, you've got these bends here, they've bent up, okay. They do drop in and flatten out a bit this bend, as you can see. There's the flatter spot in the bend. And they're known for that. And there's a flatter spot in the bend here too, okay. Beautiful bar, bent beautifully. Here we've got the shape here, the shape here. Now, if you look at that on the bike, that's going to be pretty much in the position I'd be fitting it to my bike there, okay? And that's my arms out. They spread, the Carlini bar spreads my arm a lot more forward and a lot more straight, okay? Now I'm a short guy, so I probably wouldn't go the 18 inch, I would go the 16 inch for sure, all right? So it would be down there a bit and I'd get some bend in the elbow. So straight away, I'm a short guy, 18 inch, this is already too big for me, all right? However, that's there. They do make me sit forward more, that's for sure. And my arms are already a lot straighter. But a beautiful bar, nevertheless. There is just a slight drop. I mean, a very slight drop in that. Maybe it's dropped 1/4 of an inch, if you're lucky, from the straight to there, if you're lucky. So my arm here is a lot straighter. That's for sure. Yeah, a lot straighter on that. But if I was to buy a set, I would buy a 16 inch, not the 18 inch for me. I'm a short ass, man. I wouldn't, bother getting that big a bar. But some brothers, man, they're smaller than me. They've got 20 inch bars. That's just what they want to rock and roll with. Yeah. Again, up here, you've got the curve and the bend. It transitions into a smaller size pretty much straight away on the Carlini bars. So there is a shorter transition here as opposed to a longer transition as in the factory 47 bars. So if you compare that from one to the other,